Okay, so I garbage big picked this. It's the Jetson Bolt. The Jetson Bolt. One thing I liked about this, if I turn it on, the battery is almost fully charged. But when I have it go, the tire's not going. So this is actually a pretty rare hub. Now I looked this up. This is like $130 if I wanted to buy this rear hub. So I took all the bolts off this side and got it loose, right? But it has to come out of this side. So one of these is stripped. So somebody tried to take these off. So I got to take off the brake disc and then all these to get the hub out of this side. I'm going to try cleaning the inside of this because this should just freely spin now that it's not hooked up to nothing like that. See? That's how the rest should be spinning, okay? Now, so this bike is about between $250 and $300. That hub is $119. This battery is $150. That's a 36 volt battery right there. 36 volt, 6 amp hour battery. So it's a 36 volt. More than likely, there's 3 strings of batteries parallel, 12 volts each, 12, 24, 36. So if this, I cannot get this fixed, that is running with the throttle, I'm actually going to take that battery apart. It's a $150 battery. I'm going to take it apart, do 3 12 volt batteries in parallel so it gets more amp hour, and I could use that to charge my phones if the power goes out or off grid or whatever. Stay tuned.